Okay, so we have this cartridge from Kyocera TASKalfa. It's 4054ci. Okay, so this machine is new, and unfortunately the cartridge, the waste toner is full. So from the machine it shows you need to replace this one. So now the Kyocera is they are recycling the black one. So after it finish, you need to replace the empty black cartridge. So unfortunately this time the black cartridge is still not empty. So this is the original one. So our problem now is we need to discharge the waste toner inside because it's full now, so that the machine will work, continues to work. Now I will try my best because we don't have the spare really. So try to remove this one, or maybe this one. So I will open this. Okay. Oh, mashallah, you see. So all you need to do, this is the lock really. So open here, this is the lever, then slide backwards. Now it's open. So now it's the time for me to discharge this waste toner. Okay, so if you have same problem, you see. Oh, good one. Face up. That's it. The error is gone. So the error is gone. It's working now. Okay, that's all.